Welcome to 100 Spells in 100 Days with BeWitchy. Day 62. This is the water protection spell. It's super easy. In a glass or bottle of drinking water, add one very large clear quartz crystal. We emphasize the word large because you don't want to have any accidents, i.e. accidentally swallowing it. Obviously make it very smooth and free from anything that might break off of it and become lodged. And also add one sprig of rosemary, or one stick of rosemary. Fresh is best, of course. So pop those into the bottle or into a glass and drink the water with the intention that you are being protected each time that you take a drink. It's a great way to hydrate and obviously protect yourself at the same time. Super simple, super cute. Be careful, heed those warnings, and obviously always be very specific with your visualizations.